Struggling to capture everyone in group photos? Missing out on epic travel moments? Tired of shaky, low-quality footage? Frustrated with heavy drones and complex controls? Worried about FAA registration hassles? Annoyed by short battery life ruining your shoots? Wish you could film yourself hands-free outdoors? Finding drone setup confusing and time-consuming? Losing precious moments while fumbling with controllers? Feeling left out of your own travel vlogs? Hesitant to fly indoors, fearing crashes? Want professional video without pro skills? Meet the DJI Neo 3 battery combo. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Your answer to effortless, stunning aerial shots. Ultra lightweight at just 135G, lighter than your phone. No FAA registration or remote ID needed. Fits in your pocket, take it anywhere. Controller-free palm takeoff. Just press and fly. Perfect for beginners, travel lovers, and creators. Smart subject tracking keeps you in every frame. 8 creative quick shots for dynamic vlogs. Capture birthday parties, hikes, and picnics easily. Multiple control options, voice, app, or remote. Film hands-free with voice commands, English or Chinese. No more missing out. Be in every adventure. 4K UHD camera delivers ultra-stabilized professional footage. Level 4 wind resistance for smooth shots outdoors. Film kayaking, hiking, or windy park strolls. Full coverage propeller guards for worry-free indoor flying. Dip and dive around trees and furniture safely. Extended flight time, up to 54 minutes with 3 batteries. Two-way charging hub keeps you powered up. Never miss a moment. Always have a charged battery. Compare before, shaky, incomplete group shots. After, everyone included crisp 4K video. Before, heavy drone, complicated setup. After, lightweight, instant palm takeoff. Before, short flights, missed memories. After, extended 54-minute flights, endless fun. Before, nervous flying, constant crashes. After, confident flights with full propeller guards. Before, always behind the camera. After, effortlessly star in your own videos. Before, struggling with controls. After, controller-free, voice-activated flying. Before, amateur footage, unstable shots. After, professional, stabilized 4K video. Before, worrying about registration and rules. After, fly freely, no registration required. Before, missing out on creative shots. After, 8 quick shots unlock your creativity. Before, limited flying time, interrupted fun. After, 3 batteries, uninterrupted adventure. Before, charging confusion, downtime. After, two-way hub, always ready to fly. Before, hesitant to let kids or friends try. After, easy, safe operation for everyone. Before, app issues on Google Play. After, download DJI Fly app from official website. Need help? DJI official support is ready to assist. Travel enthusiasts, capture every breathtaking view. Content creators, film smooth cinematic stories. Tech beginners, fly confidently, no experience needed. Family BBQs, group hikes, birthday parties, never miss a shot. DJI Neo 3 battery combo. More flight, more freedom. Ultra-stable 4K video. Your memories, crystal clear. Controller-free palm takeoff. Just grab and go. Smart subject tracking. Always in the spotlight. Ready to upgrade your adventures? Get DJI Neo 3 battery combo today. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Download DJI Fly app from DJI official site. Experience effortless filming anywhere, anytime. Soar higher, film smarter, create more. DJI Neo, your story, elevated. Tap to shop now and start flying. Make every moment unforgettable with DJI Neo. Your adventures deserve the best footage. DJI Neo, capture life from a new angle.